2 or 3 months ago, a businessman and an environmental lawyer stood up in front of the world and told people that Tylenol caused autism. It does not. I can promise you that. And I know that because I learned how to read scientific studies, and I know from those studies that the way it works is that if it's raining, your umbrella didn't cause the rain. The Tylenol didn't cause the autism. When you look at the studies, there is no evidence for that. And I need to make that clear as a doctor to patients. How do we roll that back? We need the vote, and we need a new administration. We need a new Congress who will support science. The NIH has lost its ability to give grants in 1,000 different ways, and we need to restore that. There have been panels of vaccine experts that have been removed from the CDC that we need back. The infrastructure for making sure that people get vax has been dissolved. The first step, and this is something that Congress can do, is oversee the executive branch. Stop giving the executive branch the ability to do anything it wants, and make sure that that executive branch